Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to set up Zoom account on mobile. So after you downloaded your Zoom from your app store or your play store, and let's get started. So I'm going to set it up. Open your Zoom account. So either you sign in or you sign up. So I'm going to use sign up. Then you need to put in your ear. Okay, just put your age. Okay, they say birth here, so put your birth here. Click on continue and put your email address there. Click on continue. Now they've set the code to the email address, so I'm going to go to the email address and get the code. And you need to put in the code once you get the code. Sorry for that. We need to go and retrieve the code that's been sent to the email, so we need to put it there. Okay, so this is the code. So I'm going to put the code 332319. Okay, you need to put your name. You need to put your password. Sorry for that. Now click on create account. Okay, you need to enter your name. And after that, click on create account. And this is it, guys. You have automatically and successfully create your Zoom account. It's very simple. Just wait for a second to continue. Just wait for a little seconds. It's almost done. Okay, now this is it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.